Hello and welcome to the Chauvin Arnoux UK channel. I'm David Savery with a quick start video series of the many features of the CA6117 Multifunction Installation Tester to help you get the most out of this capable instrument. In this presentation, I shall take you on a short walk of the harmonic function of the Chauvin Arnoux 6117 Installation Tester. We can choose to view the harmonic distortion of either the voltage or the current through the upper soft key. FFTU will perform a fast Fourier transform on the voltage, the FFTI setting on the current. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll look at the current, which means we must use the C117A clamp around our phase or circuit of interest. Without this, the current option won't be valid. When using the clamp, the arrow on the side must be pointing in the direction of the load. The second soft key allows us to select between a linear, logarithmic or listed display. The first two options will present as bar graphs, the third option as a chart. The third soft key allows us to calculate the level of distortion with respect to the fundamental or to the RMS amplitude. Starting a test with a 30-watt fan running as the load, our linear bar chart shows the fundamental as harmonic 1 in green. We can use the arrow key to move to the next largest peak, which here is the third harmonic, where we can see its amplitude. The next largest bar is the fifth harmonic, then the seventh. We can continue to scroll right up to the 50th harmonic. Some of these peaks are quite small to see because they're small in value and are sized relative to the fundamental, but we can switch the display to a logarithmic scale. On such a scale, these smaller peaks become more exaggerated, making them clearer to see as they're no longer being sized relative to the fundamental. Switching to the list display gives us a plain listing of the amplitude and percentage of each harmonic. Again, we can scroll up to the 50th if we wish. Hopefully that gets you started with the harmonic reporting of the 6117 tester. There's more to see if you haven't reviewed it already, so do take a look at the other episodes in this quick guide series. Thanks for watching.